ActiveCampaign CRM. How to create a deal from a pipeline. Click on the drop-down. Choose the pipeline you want to add a new stage to. Click Add a Deal, or click Add a Deal at the top of the page. The Add Deal window will pop up. Give your deal a title. Provide a deal value. Set a default currency. Give your deal a description. Choose which pipeline. Choose which stage. Choose the deal owner that can access. Provide contacts, email addresses. Name of contract. Select which account. Enter phone. When done, click Add. A deal have been added. How to create a deal from the contacts profile page. Go to ActiveCampaign dashboard. Click Contacts. Click on All Deals. Click Add a Deal. An Add a Deal window will open. Provide deal title. Provide deal value. Choose a default currency. Provide deal description. Choose which pipeline. Choose which stage. Choose the deal owner. Click Add. The deal have been added to the contact. How to create a deal using an automation action. Go to ActiveCampaign dashboard. Click Automation. Click the automation that you want to add the deal. Click the node to open a new action window. Click CRM. Select Add a Deal. An Add a Deal window will open. Give deal a title. Provide value. Choose default currency. Choose which pipeline. Choose which stage. Choose the owner. Click Save. A deal have been added to the automation.